I'm Stefan from Brooklyn, New York, and I have official, non-official photography business, and I wanted to know some advice about setting it up as a legal business.
Okay. And Stefan, did you happen to be driving around Central Florida, or are you listening online?
I'm driving around Central Florida visiting a friend, and
Okay.
I just so happened to hear it on the radio.
Okay, good for you. And Stefan, how long have you been in business?
I've been in business for about 6 years.
Okay. Stefan, there is definitely some advantage to you becoming an LLC or a corporation. Stefan, I'm recommending it to you. Check in with your accountant or CPA. The reasons are this. Number one, you can avoid personal liability, so that if by chance you happen to hurt somebody as part of your business, they would be obligated to sue your business. They would not be suing you personally. But number two, Stefan, there are some tax advantages to being a corporation, LLC, subchapter S registration. And those you can talk over with your accountant or CPA, but they're substantial enough, Stefan, that it'd be time for you to make this move and become a corporation, LLC, and elect to be taxed as a subchapter S corporation.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
Stefan, you
I didn't know that.
are thinking correctly, and the next step for you would be your accountant or CPA to talk about those tax savings. Maybe your accountant or CPA could form that corporation for you. Maybe you can do it yourself online, or maybe you hire a lawyer. But you're on the right track, Stefan. Keep going. Chrissy, people often ask us, what's the difference between a corporation and an LLC? And the answer is not much. Mm-hmm. But whether you go with a corporation or an LLC, either one, you then have to tell the IRS how you want to be taxed. And generally, people want to be taxed as a subchapter S corporation. Okay, even if you're an LLC, you can elect to be taxed as a subchapter S corporation. What that means is that your business every year is going to file its own tax return, but any profits and losses are passed directly through the corporation or LLC on your personal tax return. So your corporation or LLC in and of itself is not going to pay taxes. Profits and losses will be passed to your individual tax return.
And again, Tom, am I correct as well that depending upon the business that you're starting, the length of time, and what your goals are, your CPA would direct you to what the best entity is for you? And of course, I know certainly we help people set up corporations here in the state of Florida, but with regards to the other piece of it, which is the tax advantages and disadvantages based upon the certain entities, that we defer to a CPA.
Yeah, and tax advantages can be substantial. So keep going, Stefan. You're on the right track. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. You're listening to News Radio WFLA.